Hello everyone, welcome to Data Empires. In this session, we will discuss the PCB structure and general faults of the PCB of WD hard disks. Here are some WD company PCBs available. Now, let us check these PCBs and overview their components. So guys, if the hard disk is not getting the power supply, then first of all we have to check the power circuit. And here we have to check the resistors and diodes. If there is confusion about the 5V and 12V diodes, then we can check them with the help of a multimeter. We already explained this in the Seagate PCB structure video.